Red wine, the darling of Mediterranean diets and dinner parties alike, has been lauded for its heart-friendly polyphenol, its social sophistication, and most famously, its resveratrol content. Found in grape skins, especially those of red grapes, resveratrol has captured scientific and pop culture imagination for its potential to enhance DNA repair, activate longevity genes like SIRT1, and protect cells from oxidative stress. In the lab, resveratrol seems like a miracle molecule. It slows aging in yeast, supports mitochondrial health, and even boosts cell survival after UV-induced damage. So it's tempting to believe that sipping red wine could somehow act as a graceful, delicious form of internal sunscreen or age delay tonic. But there's a deeply inconvenient reality tucked behind the glamour. The alcohol content itself comes at a cellular cost, especially when it comes to skin health, hydration, and vitamin balance. Let's pour the glass half full first. Resveratrol is a polyphenolic compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps protect cellular structures, stabilizes mitochondrial function, and seems to enhance DNA repair pathways when cells are exposed to UV radiation or oxidative damage. In theory, this means it could slow down cellular aging, reduce skin inflammation, and minimize long-term photo damage. It may also indirectly help preserve collagen and elastin, supporting that elusive goal of maintaining firm, youthful skin over time. Some studies suggest that resveratrol, when applied topically or taken as a supplement, may help reduce signs of aging, increase skin thickness, and improve elasticity. It's even been explored in sunscreens and serums for its ability to buffer the skin against UV-induced oxidative stress. So, yes, resveratrol deserves some of the hype. It has legitimate antioxidant muscle, and in the right context, it supports the very cellular mechanisms that protect against damage from sun, pollution, and the passage of time. But before you reach for that third glass of Pinot Noir in the name of wellness, let's talk about alcohol. Because while wine may carry resveratrol like a stylish antioxidant chauffeur, alcohol is very much the rowdy backseat passenger. For one, alcohol is a dehydrating agent, both systemically and at the skin level. It acts as a diuretic, pulling water from the body and leading to dullness, dryness, and reduced skin elasticity, the very symptoms resveratrol is supposedly working to prevent. Frequent or excessive drinking can compromise your skin's barrier function, reduce natural oil production, and leave your face looking tired and inflamed, no matter how many grapes went into the bottle. Then there's the metabolic impact. Alcohol is processed primarily in the liver, where it diverts resources away from other tasks, like vitamin D activation. Chronic or even moderate alcohol consumption can impair the liver's ability to convert vitamin D into its active form, calcitriol, which is essential for immune regulation, skin repair, and calcium absorption. This subtle disruption can lead to a functional vitamin D deficiency, even in people who get enough sunlight or take supplements. So while you're sipping wine for the antioxidant benefits, you might simultaneously be sabotaging a different pathway critical for skin health, immune balance, and hormonal function. There's also the oxidative irony. Alcohol itself is a pro-oxidant, particularly in excess. It can increase reactive oxygen species, ROS, deplete glutathione, your body's master antioxidant, and trigger inflammation throughout the body, including in the skin. So while resveratrol is trying to act like a bouncer keeping free radicals in check, alcohol is the guy letting more of them in through the back door. And unfortunately, you can't drink your way to a therapeutic dose of resveratrol. Most red wines contain only about 1 to 2 milligrams of resveratrol per glass, while the doses shown to produce measurable biological effects in studies are often 100 to 1,000 times higher. You'd need to drink several bottles a day to hit those numbers, which, of course, would cancel out any theoretical benefit and probably land you in the ER with a very different kind of problem. That said, moderate red wine consumption, 1 glass a day or less, can still be part of a balanced lifestyle for many people. It's enjoyable, it promotes social interaction, and it delivers small amounts of helpful polyphenol. Just don't confuse it with a beauty tonic. If you're serious about reaping resveratrol skin or anti-aging benefits, you're better off exploring it through targeted supplements or grape-derived extracts, minus the alcohol. So here's the sober truth. Red wine may contain resveratrol, but it's not a skin elixir in a bottle. It's a complex mix of antioxidant potential and metabolic liabilities. Yes, It can fit into a healthy diet, especially if consumed in moderation with meals and plenty of water. But using it as a skincare strategy is like trying to hydrate with coffee or cleanse your liver with whiskey. It just doesn't quite work out. Enjoy your glass, toast your health, and appreciate the polyphenol. Just don't let the romance of resveratrol trick you into thinking that wine is a substitute for sunscreen, water, sleep, or actual skincare. Because as lovely as red wine may be, it won't keep you young if it leaves your skin hungover.